Let's make a very delicious club sandwich.
Hey loves, we are going to be making club sandwich. So good. I've got my bowl here. I've got all the ingredients here. So let's go through it now. I'll begin with my eggs. I've got some cooked chicken here, which I'm going to slice into really thin slices. Before I transfer it to the bowl, let's crack the eggs just a little bit first, okay? And this is how it's looking. Now let's transfer our chicken. Now I'm going to chop up some cabbage. Now I'm going to grate some carrot.
I'm going to add this to the rest of the ingredients and also add some mackerel fillets in sunflower oil, some sugar, of course, some ketchup and mayonnaise. I use a generous amount so my club sandwich is juicy and super delicious. Once this is done, I'll stir everything very well to combine. Now the mackerel fillets is in sunflower oil. I use the canned one, so you can find that in any supermarket at all, okay? Once this is done, I'll go ahead and fill my bread already sliced, and this was super duper delicious. Please use a generous amount. You do not want a dry club sandwich, no way. So use a generous amount until it is full and super juicy. Yesterday it just dawned on me about how much the end is near. Most things happening in the world right now is listed in the Bible about the signs we should look out for when the end is near, and I'm just posing a question to you. Are you ready? If the end comes right now, where will you be? If you are a Christian or you believe in God, please go back to the basics. Go back to your Bible. If you do not, then please search him and you'll find him. The only way to heaven is through Jesus. So at this point, I toasted my club sandwich on both sides until it was golden brown, cut it into bite sizes and inserted some toothpaste so it does not go anywhere when you're eating it. And just look at that beauty. If you'll be trying this, please type yes in the comment section. Bye for now.